All right, we are gonna blow out my engine bay just for shits and giggles. It's already pretty clean, but for the first time I have unlimited access to an air compressor, so I'm gonna do this just because I think it's gonna be really fun. So, and see how much I can knock off. I'll show you what I got. So you need an air compressor, you need an air hose, and here I've got just like your trigger attachment with the rubber tip. And then I have a long stick wand. You want eye protection, and I've got a bandana on. I recommend a mask. I'm just using a bandana for right now. If you're near the compressor while it's running, you should have ear protection too because it's loud. I'll speed it up then, but let's see how much shit I can knock out here. All right, so I'll put links down below for all this stuff if you want to get a cheap setup. I've got it, this says 90 PSI max on this wand. I'm just gonna keep it on 90 for both of these. But I'll put links for like a decent compressor, hose, and some attachments down below if you wanna do something similar. It's just good to have, like, you can use this for everything. Tires, basketballs, you know, all kinds of stuff. Some air tools. You can get by with just the pancake compressor for some air pneumatic tools. Obviously, if you want to do a lot of air wrenching and pneumatic sanding and stuff or cutting, you'll want to get a bigger one. But I mean, these are pretty cheap. Pick one up. I'm just going to get to it. And I'll put a link for some sort of bar light. I have a bar light set up. I love this bar light. Sweet. I'm using a cheap headlamp, but I'll put links for the Night Core headlamp that I like. It's USB-C rechargeable, and it's a lot smaller and lighter. So I'll put links for that. Got a shop vac here also, and so a lot of the stuff you can push out underneath, and I'll show you the stuff that I've been getting out. You know, it's also a good idea wherever you can stick this in, suck up some of the big stuff from the top. I had a huge nest of stuff in the back left corner there. Just worth it to every once in a while, if you can do this, just go over stuff and just not let stuff build up over time. You know, you want to work it out. If it doesn't come up and over and off, you know, you want to try to work it down. I'll work some more stuff off this right side, and then I'll show you what I got underneath, and I'll vacuum it all up. So definitely worth doing. So I'll fast forward all this. All right, so you wouldn't really think that I got that much stuff, but like you can see, there's all that junk I got out. You know, it adds up. Every little bit of junk you can get out. Yeah. So, just keeps things nice and tidy and prevents it from building up. And then it makes every other job that you're gonna do easier, whether you're gonna detail it or whether you're gonna take intake hoses off, vacuum lines off, manifolds off, cooling lines off. If you're gonna do your spark plugs, you can blow out your holes. And if you're gonna do a valve cover job, you know, it's just blow everything away so that nothing falls in. Hope that helps. It's a fun way to spend, like, you know, an hour or two just kind of poking around. You can, you know, every time you go in your engine bay, you'll get more familiar with it. So I'll put links down below, subscribe, and peace.